Let's continue. Um, this question is a quadratic equation, like it's a quadratic equation question. So now I'm going to solve this question in three methods. You have to know that quadratic equation have three methods. We have factorization, completing the square, and then quadratic formula. So now I'm going to solve this question in those three methods. And the reason why I'm solving this question in those three methods is for us to see whether we'll arrive at the same answer. So let's continue. Solution. Now let's use factorization method first. So now let's continue. We have 2x squared plus 13x is equals to 15. So now let's see 2x squared plus 13x. Let's carry this 15 to this side to be minus 15 is equals to 0. Now what we are going to do next is that let me show you something. Let me show you product. Product we have minus 30. The product is minus 30. Why? Is because this one 2 multiplied by minus 15 will give you minus 30. Then we have the sum. This is the sum. We have sum. Sum is equals to 13. And then let's look for the factors. The factors. Let's look for the factor that if I sum it, it will give me 13. And if we multiply it, it will give us minus 30. And what is those numbers? So let me see. We have minus 2 and plus 15. Because when we times minus 2 times 15, it give us minus 30. And then when we plus minus 2 plus 15, it will give us 13. So now we can use these two. Now let's continue. So now let's put it inside this equation. We have 2x squared plus let me use this one minus 2x. Let me put this one. I'll put it minus 2x plus 15x minus 15 is equals to 0. So now let's find what is common here. Let me see, x is common, so and 2. So let's bring out. So and then let's leave this one inside. Then let's look at this one too. Which one is common? We have plus 15. Plus 15 is common. Then leave this one inside. Is equals to 0. Now, since this one and this one are the same, let's pick one of it. So x minus 1 bracket. Then let's join this one together. We have 2x plus 15. The bracket is equals to 0. So now let's continue. X minus 1 is equals to 0, or 2x plus 15 is equals to 0. So let's continue. X is equals to 1, or so now let's carry this 15 to this side. Be minus, no, let's say 2x is equals to minus 15. And now since there is 2 here, this x have a coefficient of 2. So now let's divide it by 2. 2 2 cancel 2, we have x is equals to minus 7. Yeah, we have x is equals to minus 7, 7 whole number, 1 over 2. So this is the answer. So this is the first method by factorization. Let's go to the second method, completing the square method. All right. So now this is another method. So let's use this same question to solve with this method to see whether we can arrive at the same answer as we have from the first method. So now we have 2x squared plus 13x is equals to 15. Then 2x squared plus 13x, let's bring 15, we have minus 15. All right. So now, completing the square method, what we will do, the first step to do now is to, since this one have a coefficient of 2, so let's divide both sides by 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, and divide by 2. So now 2 cancel 2. So let's say x squared plus 13 all over 2x minus 15 all over 2, and it's equals to 0. 0 divided by 2 is still 0. So now, in this case, let's still carry this one to this side. X squared over 13 all over 2x. So this one is going to this side, it become 15, so I don't need to put the plus over 2. So now what we will do next, the second step is that this 13 over 2, we will multiply it by half and then square it. 13 times 1 over 2. So let's multiply it, we will have 13. We'll have 13 all over 4. Then we'll now square it. So now, so I have multiplied this one, 13 all over 2x. I'll multiply it by half and square it. So now we are going to add it to the both sides. Add 13 all over 4 square to both sides. So now let's continue for this side. So we have let's add it here. We have x squared plus 13 all over 2x. Then we'll now add this one plus 13 all over 4 squared is equals to 15 all over 2 plus 13 all over 4 squared. Right. So let's continue. Now we now have x squared. Now, as we have added this one, the next step is to omit this one. We will remove this one and bring this one and join it with the x. So be plus 13 all over 4 then square. The reason why this square come here, even this x half square. So we'll bring the square to outside and join it together. Then it's equals to, so now let's do this one. We have 15 all over 2 plus 13 square. 13 square is 169 all over 4 square is 16. So now we have x plus 13 all over 4 bracket square is equals to, now 16 is the LCM, and 2 divided by 16 is 8, and 8 times, let me use calculator, 8 times 15 is 120. 8 times 15, 120, plus 16 divided by 16 is 1 times 169 is still 169. So it's equals to, when you plus it, we will now have 289 all over 16. So let's continue. You have x plus 13 all over 4 in brackets. You square it is equals to 289 all over 16. So now, to continue this, let's add root to the both sides. So then this square, I cancel this one, so we have x plus 13 all over 4 is equals to root 289 all over 16. We will have 17 all over 4. So now after this one, we cross this one, have x is equals to this one. When you cross it, become minus 13 all over 4 plus or minus 17 all over 4. So we have x is equals to 4 minus 13 plus 17, or minus 13 minus 17 all over 4. So now, let me cancel this side. So now we have x is equals to minus 13 plus 17 is 4 all over 4, or minus 13 minus 17 is minus 30 all over 4. So x is equals to 4 divided by 4, we have 1, or this one minus 7 all over 2, and 7 whole number, 2 all over 4. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So we have minus 7 whole number 1 over 2. So the first answer of the first method and this one is the same. So we are correct. So now let's go to the next method, which is the next one, which is quadratic formula. This one is just very simple. We just put the formula and put everything together. So you have 2x squared plus 13 x. So let's just bring that 15 minus 15 is equals to 0. So now let's write the formula. We have x is equals to minus b plus or minus, we have b squared minus 4ac all over 2e. So this is the formula. And now here we have a is 2, then b is 13, and then c is minus 15. So let's put it here. We will have x is equals to b. This b is plus, it's plus 13. So plus 13 times this minus is still minus. So we have minus 13 plus or minus, we will now put the root. Then this one we have minus 13 square minus 4 times 2 times minus 15 all over 2 times 2. X is equals to minus 13 plus or minus. Then let's bring this root. We have minus 13 square is 169. Then minus, we have 4 times 2, 8. 8 times minus 8 times minus 15. We will have, let me just first do this one. Let me leave this minus first. So we will have 120. So 100 minus 120 because of this minus of this 50. So now when you turn this minus times this minus, 2 times 2 is 4. Let's bring everything down here. Yes. So this one will be plus 120 all over 4. So x is equals to, so minus 13 plus minus, we'll have 169 plus 120 is 289 all over 4. So x is equals to minus 13 plus or minus this one, root 289 is 17 all over 4. Alright, I've cleared the side, so let's continue here. We have x is equals to minus 13 plus 17 all over 4, or minus 13 plus, minus 17 all over 4. So x is equals to minus 13 plus 17 is 4 all over 4, or minus 13 minus 17, you have minus 30 all over 4. This one, cancel this one, so we have this is equal to 1, and then this is equal to minus 7 whole number 1, 2 on it, 2 over 4, which you can still break this one down, will give us minus 7 whole number 1 over 2. That means we are correct. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook. Thank you.